Hello viewers, welcome to a new Ninja Master video. It's basically a bit of an update video to show you what I've been doing lately. This includes fiddling with Microsoft Virtual PC. I've been installing Windows 3.11, 95, 98, Millennium Edition and NT 4.0. I'll just boot them up just to show things I've been fiddling with. For Windows 3.11 I've been busy installing a CD-ROM drive. Just boot into it. Some small error. 3.11 haven't changed much. What I'm going to do is I am going to virtualize a different video chip. I'm going to install some other S3 based video chip. What that's going to do is it will enable me to use Super VGA resolutions, because what I'm willing to do is I want at least 640 by 480 pixels. This doesn't really qualify. Well, it is 640 by 480, that's VGA resolution, but in an operating environment I prefer 800 by 600 or even 1024 by 768. This is achievable in 3.11, but I have to do something different. What I'm also going to try to do in 3.11 is getting Internet Explorer and Netscape Navigator 4.0 to work, so I can basically browse the internet the 16-bit way. That's basically all I want to do with 3.11. I will also be using an operating system where I can play my DOS games. For that we have Windows 95. Windows 98 is the vanilla release, just to fiddle around a bit with. Same goes basically for Millennium, just seeing how far I can push it to use it as a modern operating system nowadays. And Windows NT 4 is basically for some testing purposes, just seeing how NT stands out today and what does it bring to the table. Right, tomorrow school's going to start again, so I don't think I will be uploading much either the oncoming time, not anywhere soon. So here is Windows 95. I've been installing this is the OEM service release version 2.5. I've installed Microsoft Plus for Windows 95. I've installed Chameleon for a web browser. It's basically a light version of Mozilla Firefox. Internet Explorer 5.5 Service Pack 2. And credits to oldversion.com, because I also installed Flash Player 7 by Macromedia. You can't play YouTube videos on it. I actually can in Windows Millennium Edition, which is quite funny. Every time I browse to YouTube here in Chameleon, I'm not logged in by the way, but that doesn't really matter right now. I'll just press this random video. In Chameleon I just get request to install the plugin, so it doesn't do anything at all. And here in Internet Explorer version 5.5, when I browse to YouTube here, it actually displays the MSN page pretty darn well. Right? It's not supported, of course. Let's get the same video as which click just. Here it just says you are trying to install Adobe Flash on a Adobe Flash player. Here actually installed Macromedia Flash on this. Here it wanted to load the bar here, but it sees like, oh damn, you're running Windows 95. Tough luck. You're not gonna get it working. I will also be installing Office 2000 on this and a lot of my old games. I've dedicated 2 gigabytes of hard disk space to Windows 95. I will be installing games like Doom, Duke Nukem, and some other stuff that just simply won't work in Windows 7. I'm having some compatibility issues with Windows 7 lately, so with some older games I've tried to run, but it just simply won't. As you can see, I have virtual editions installed. What I basically did was I went to Google and I just went looking for, damn it, I didn't want to do that. when I started NT4. What I wanted to do was just Google the virtual machine editions of Virtual PC 2004. 2004 actually has the right files, because Windows 95 isn't officially supported by Microsoft Virtual PC 2007. And I'm running 2007 because it's the newest version. Makes sense, doesn't it? So just gonna basically wait till Windows NT4 is booted. It's I upgraded it. I have a CD for NT4 Workstation. Also installed the editions, as you can see. I can freely move between the VM. Hold on. Put in a password. Windows NT Workstation 4.0 with Microsoft Internet Explorer. Well, yes, upgraded to Internet Explorer to version 6, Outlook Express 6. Again, Chameleon for tab web browsing. I can't live without tabs anymore in web browsers. Internet Explorer 6 is also really friggin' old. I haven't fully tested YouTube on NT4, but I'm sure it's not really going to work that well. Certainly sure that Chameleon won't allow me to do it. Let's go to youtube.com. What the hell is going on here? It seems I don't have internet connection. Whoa. That's odd. Seems I don't have internet access in Windows NT4 at all. I do have actual internet access in Windows 7. So the reason why I don't have internet is unknown to me. I guess I'll just reset it. Oh yeah, it just simply wouldn't work. That was the problem I had with NT4. I couldn't get the internet connection running. I had that with Windows 95 at first too, but it turned out the TCP/IP protocol wasn't installed. I installed the TCP protocol and it worked just fine. Right, just turn that off. Right, Windows 98, I'm not going to show that at all, because I didn't do anything else than I did in Windows 95. What also goes for Windows 95 is, I also installed at first Internet Explorer 4.0, 4.01 Source Pack 2 to be precise, just to get the active desktop features, which are pretty nice. Makes it look a bit more modern, that kind of stuff. Adds a quick launch bar, that's very important to me as well. And it's the Windows Millennium Edition. Not much different from 2000, but still one of the most hated operating systems to be released ever. Let's see, I upgraded to Internet Explorer version 6, Media Player 9, and Mozilla Firefox version 2.0. Couldn't get Firefox running in NT4 or Windows 95. I'll start a new session because it crashed. Ironically, Windows ME crashed. Very ironic. And once again, no working internet connection on Windows ME. I don't know what's happening to the internet right now, but I don't seem to be able to access the internet in my virtual machine just now. Well, I guess I have to take a look at that. But you guys saw it work on Windows 95 just fine. Right, it was basically an update of what I've been doing lately. As you know, I've been just about 10 minutes in time now. At first I wanted to use Oracle VM VirtualBox, formerly known as Sun VirtualBox. Sun changed their name to Oracle, apparently. Or got bought by Oracle, I don't know. Let's see, I've been to a LAN party last 2 days. I've been fiddling today, mostly the whole day, with Virtual PC, installing all the operating systems, getting some software in. But I do want you all to stay tuned, of course, for my videos. There will be more videos coming up. Also on these virtual machines in question. But I will also be filming some stuff. I think I will re-pick up my series of NES game reviews. I will be starting a series for Nintendo 64 titles and GameCube titles as well. I will try to find a way to get them recorded properly and not get the CRT bars on the screen. I don't know actually how to remove that. If you know how to do that, how to remove those bars from camera, feel free to put that in the comment section, because I certainly don't know how to get rid of them. Maybe it's just the wrong video angle. I don't know. I'm an amateur, so I don't really know. So what I basically want to say is I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just an update, still over 10 minutes, whatever. Stay tuned for my videos, and I thank you all for watching.